Hello everyone. I hope all of you are fine at home, right? This is Alkasha, and then today we are going to learn maths from chapter 5. Okay, so today we have a very interesting topic that is single digit multiplication. All right, okay, let's see one by one. Okay, I hope all of you are familiar with the multiplication table. So, children, what is 2 into 6? 2 into 6 jar. How much it is? It is 12, right? Then we have next 7 into 3. How much it is? 21, right? 7 into 3 are 21. Another one we have 5 into 5, that is 25, right? Then we have next multiplication, that is 6 into 4. How much it is? 24, right? Then we have 3 into 9, right? So how much it is, students? 3 into 9 are, it is 27, right? Then we have 8 into 8. How much it is? 64, right? So 8 into 8 are 64. Then we have 9 into 4. How much 9 into 4 it is, children? It is 36, right? So 9 into 4 are 36, right? Then we have 4 into 3. 4 into 3 are how much it is? All of you are familiar with it, right? So it is 12. Then next we have 7 into 7, that is equal to 49, right? Then we have 8 into 4, how much it is? 32, right? Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is multiply the following with one digit number. All right. Okay, now the first one, let's see how much it is, students. 5 into 4. So how much 5 into 4 it will be? It will be 20, right? So 20, you need to put 0 here and you need to carry along with you 2, right? So we have again 5 into 1. How much it will be? It will be 5 plus the carry that you have with you. You will add them up and you'll get 7. So 14, and when you multiply with 5 you get 70, right? So next, same with that, we have 2 multiply with 4. 22 into 4. So how much you'll get, children? 4 into 2. It is 8, right? Again, you have 4 into 2. You have 8, right? Okay. Then again, next you have 3, 4 multiply with 6. Now, you all know that 6 into 4 is 24, right? So 24, you need to write here 4, and then you have carry 2 along with you, right? So now 6 into 3. How much it will be, students? 18, right? So 18, and the carry that you have along with you, you'll add them up and you'll get 20, right? So the total amount is how much? 204, right? Okay, let's move to the next sum, that is 7 into 7, that is 67 into 7. How much you'll get, children? 7 into 7 are, how much it is? 49, right? So 49, you need to put here 9 and you have carry 4 along with you. So 7 into 6 jar 42 plus 4. When you will add them up, you will get 46, right? So the total number that you got is 469. Am I clear with all of you? Okay, let's try another one. What do we have another one? Okay, we have another problem that is related to one question that we have a wooden chair. Okay, a wooden chair cost how much rupees? 125, right? So what is the cost of 8 wooden chairs? So if a cost of one wooden chair is 125. So if you will buy 8 wooden chair, what will be the cost? Total cost, students? Let's see. Okay, so a wooden chair cost equal to, first of all, you need to write it one. It is rupees 125. Okay, next we have cost of 8 wooden chairs. So you need to find it out the answer of 8 wooden chair. That is why you need to put here a question mark, right? So next, what you need to do? You need to multiply them in order to get the answer, right? So now you need to multiply this 8 into 5. So what is 8 into 5, students? It is 40, right? So 40, you need to put 0 here and you have carry 4 along with you, right? So again you have 8 into 2, 16. So 16 plus 4, when you add them up, you will get 20, right? So 20, you need to put here 0 and then you have carry 2 along with you. Next will be 8 into 1. It will be 8 and then the carry that you have along with you, it will be all together. How much you'll get? 10, right? So the total amount is 1000. Okay, so the cost of 8 wooden chairs, how much it will be, students? It will be rupees 1000. I hope I'm clear with you, students. Did you understood? Okay, let's move to the next sum. That is, again, we have division. Another interesting sum that we are going to do now. Okay, what is the first sum? See, students, it is 24 divided by 6. Okay, you all know the multiplication table, right? So, what in how much time 24 you have in the table of 6? Let's count. Okay, so we have 6 into 4s are 24, right? So we will put 24 here and then finally you need to do minus. So 24 minus 24, it will be 0, right? Okay, the another one we have 16 divided by 4. So when you divide 4 with 16, how many times we have 16 in the table of 4? We have 4 times, right? So 4 into 4s are 16. When you minus them, you'll get 0, right? Moving to the next sum, that is 32 divided by 8. Okay, so when you divide them, in how many times 32 you have in the table of 8, class? Students, try to recall it. How much it is? 8 into 4s are, how much it will be? 32, right? So when you will minus them, you will get 0. Is it interesting? Yes, it is. Okay, let's try the next one. What we have? We have again another problem. That is 150 sweets are equally distributed among how many students? 15 students. Okay, so what you need to find it out? You need to find it out how many sweets does each student get. If you will distribute 150 sweets among 15 students, so how many sweets each student will get? Okay, so for this what we need to do? We need to again write down total number of sweets. How many total number of sweets it is? 150, right? Then the number of students that you have to distribute is how many students? 15. So after that, what you need to do? When you will divide them, then you will get the answer, right? So we have 15 into 10s are 150. Okay, so when you minus them, you will get 0 here and the answer is 10. So therefore, each student will get how many number of sweets? Children, they will get 10 sweets, right? Did you understood? All right. Next, we will try to do again another sum, that is multiply the following. Okay, these are with two-digit number. Okay, for this again, what you need to do, students, see here what it is. 63 multiply with 11. So 1 into 3, how much you'll get, students? It will be 3, right? 1 into 6, you'll get 6. Again, 1 into 3, you'll get 3. Again, 1 into 6, you'll get 6, right? Whatever you will multiply you with 1, you'll get the same number as it is, right? Okay, after this, what you need to do? You need to add them up. Okay, so 3 and below that, you don't have any number, so you will just write as it is. Then you have 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3, it will be 9, right? Then you have 6 here, right? Then again, next sum is 23 multiply with 15, right? So let's see how much we will get. 5 into 3. How much it is? 15, right? So 15, 5, and then you have carry along with you 1, right? You are carrying, and then 5 into 2s are 10, plus 1. You need to write here what? 11, right? Then the next step, again, you have 1 into 3, you get 3, and 1 into 2, you get 2. What you need to do? You need to add them up again, right? So 5, below that, you don't have any number, same it is like the earlier one. So you will write 5. Then you have 3 plus 1, you get 4. Then you have 2 plus 1, you get 3, right? Did you understood, children? Okay, let's move to the next one. What it is? Divide the following. Again, you have division, right? So, the first one is 18 divided with 6. So, when you divide 6 with 18, how much you'll get? In how many times 18 we have in the table of 6, children? Do you know the table of 6? Okay, try to recall it. 6 into 3s are 18. Am I right? Okay, then when you will minus them, 18 minus 18, you will get 0, right? Okay, then the next one we have 20 divided 4, right? So when you divide them, 4 divided with 20, we have 5 times 20 in the table of 4, right? So when you minus them again, 20 minus 20, it will be 0. Am I right? Okay, I hope you all are clear till now. Then we have another problem, that is, we have another question again. Let's try to solve it together. Okay, what is the question? Try to read, all of you. In a cinema hall, there are 100 people. How many people are there in cinema hall? 100 people. Total number of the people are 100. So, what you need to find it out, each row has 10 people. Okay, so in a row, there are how many people? 10 people in each row. So now what you have to find it out, how many rows are there. Okay, so you need to find it out the total number of the rows. Okay, so what you need to write it down, total number of people. So we have 100 number of people, right? Then you have next, each row has how many people? 10 people. Okay, then the next what you have to do now in order to find it out the answer, class, you need to divide them, right? We need to divide them. So when you divide 10 with 100, so we all are familiar with the table of 10, the very easiest multiplication table, right? So we know that 10 into 10s are 100. So when you minus them, class, you'll get 100 minus 100, you'll get 0, right? So how many total rows were present, children? There were total 10 rows. Okay, 10 rows were there, and the answer is how much? 10. Okay, and then I hope whatever I have taught you from the beginning of the class, you all understood it. Children, whatever Miss have taught you, I hope you will practice it at home. All right, and then you keep doing revision related to your multiplication table, which is very much necessary for your divide and then multiply, right? Till then, all of you take care and stay safe. Thank you.